John Keats was a renowned English poet of the Romantic era known for his lyrical and emotional poetry that showcased his love for nature and beauty. John Keats was deeply fascinated with nature, finding in it a source of inspiration, solace, and beauty. His poetry often reflects his profound connection to the natural world, with vivid imagery and sensory descriptions that capture the essence of landscapes, seasons, and natural phenomena. Keats saw nature as a manifestation of the divine and a mirror of human emotions, weaving themes of transience, mortality, and eternal beauty into his verses. His deep appreciation for the intricate details of nature and its ability to evoke profound emotions is evident in his works, making him one of the most celebrated nature poets in English literature. Keats used vivid nature imagery to express emotions and convey ideas in his poetry, allowing readers to connect with the natural world and the feelings it evokes. Keats uses rich nature imagery in Ode to a Nightingale to convey themes of beauty, mortality, and the escape from reality. Keats' poetry beautifully explores the transient nature of beauty and the inevitability of mortality through vivid descriptions of natural landscapes, such as fleeting cherry blossoms and shimmering autumn leaves. Keats' approach to nature imagery focused on the beauty and sensual aspects of nature, often using vivid and lush descriptions to evoke emotions and sensations in the reader. Keats' nature imagery evokes a deep sense of connection to the natural world, impacting readers by fostering an appreciation for the beauty and complexity of nature. His vivid descriptions elicit a sensory response, immersing readers in the sights, sounds, and textures of the natural world. Keats' nature-infused poetry continues to resonate with readers, inspiring a deep appreciation for the beauty and power of the natural world.